Okay. So in continuation of our discussion or the video, okay, we'll be having the add portion. So we'll have the mode 2 is assigned for edit. So we'll have mode 1 na lang. Actually, can have else na lang kasi we don't have anything 2 and then 1 lang naman ang choices natin. So, else, this one is for our adding. Okay, for adding. So, for the adding, we'll have save na lang. Okay. Another CMD. I'll use na lang CMD1 para at least hindi na ako. I will not create another dim. So, CMD1 dot command text is equals to, ang gawin natin, we'll have, same as this one, but yung end, I'll not place the me dot stud, no? I'll just have here false. Okay. So, false lang ilalagay ko siya. So, cmd1 dot command text and then select the ID, the studno, skedno, subject, days, time, room, from sked inner join on stud sked on sked dot skedno and stud sked dot skedno. If you check that on your, wait, if you will check that on your MySQL, ito lang siya. Wait lang ha. Remove ko lang the others. Mhm. And the double quote. And place ako ng single quote copy. This one is my SQL. So, ayan siya. So, empty set. Ibig sabihin, no laman. Walang laman. Okay? So, yan lang. And then, that's for the adding. And then, I'll have here, kasi, let's say for example, okay, I will place a student number here. I want na, when I place a student number here, yung name ng student will automatically appear. Okay? So, lalagay lang ako dito ng text validation. So, lagay natin, let's have, that's TB student number. Okay? So, look for validating. Okay? So, ayan siya. TB studno validating. So, we'll have dim, CNN as new, ODBC connection, dim CMD as new, ODBC.ODBC.command. And then, lagay tayo ng if s TB studno dot dot text is equals to walang laman, then we'll have cancel is equals to false. Okay? So, and if, okay? And then, pag wala lang laman yung nilagay natin. Okay? So, cnn.connection string is equals to dsn l1 2 3 cnn.open. And then we have cmd is equals to cnn.connection string. Oops, mali. Create command. cmd.command text is equals to select name from the table stud. Okay, where studno is equals to the one entered by the user doon sa ating tb studno dot text. Okay? And then ampersand, double quote, single quote, double quote. And then we have lbl name dot text is equals to cmd dot execute scalar. Okay. And then, pag wala, if lbl name dot text walang laman na lumabas is equals to double quote, then e dot cancel will have a message box nakalagay invalid student number. Kulang yung nasa taas is equals to true. Is equals to true. And if, then maglagay tayo ng cnn that goes there. And then, okay. So we have ito for adding. Naglagay lang tayo ng ating command. And we also incorporated a text box validating. And then, maglagay tayo on our button save ng insert command for our insert. Diba? Meron tayong insert, so dapat meron din tayo dyan. So, what we're going to insert is yung date plus the student number kung kailan nag-enroll yung student natin. So, we'll have if me that anong mode tayo? Equals mode 1. Okay, mode 1 is add, tama. Then, so, lagay natin dito, dim cnn as new odbc connection, dim cmd as new odbc command, and then we also have cnn connection string is equals to dsn l1 2 3, then cnn open, and then we have cmd is equals to cnn create command, cmd command text is equals to insert natin. So insert into yung core na table, the student number and the core date. Okay? So the core date, lagay natin dito values single quote from yung text tb studno the text. Okay? Ibaba ko lang. And then single quote comma single quote. We also have yung date. Yung pangalan ng date natin, tb date. Date ampersand double quote single quote parenthesis double quote cmd execute non-query and cnn close testing. Ay, hindi pa pala okay. So we'll go to your menu. Is this the menu? Forgot ko na yung menu ko. So menu yung sa add natin. Oops. There. Sa wakas na pindot ka din. So for the add, Anong form na yon? So, we have master dot mode is equals to 1. And then master dot show. Testing. Sana gumagana. So, yung edit is already working. So, we'll have the add. Test ko muna. So, select asterisk from ano na yung paano natin ma-check yung mga enrolled lang. Wait lang. Select asterisk select asterisk from stud. Okay, these are all the students, but we need to check yung mga students that are enrolled lang. So, dito ko siya makukuha. Ito. This one are the students which are enrolled lang. Enrolled. Okay. So, it's different from this one. So, kung titignan nyo, ARNS is not here. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya enrolled. So, we can use ARNS. Okay. Kunwari, mag-enroll siya. So, we'll use yung ARNS. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 na 1. That was 1, 0. So, student number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. Tab. Use the tab only. Tapos, on the core date, lagyan natin, select asterisk from core. So, it's year, month, day ata to. Tama. Year, month, day. So, 2021, it's December 06. Tapos, the sched number, tignan natin. Select asterisk from SKD. So, we have 6 na 1, for example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, tab. And nag-enroll ulit siya ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tab. So, mag-enroll siya ng 2 subjects. Save. Record successful. Okay. So, let's check yung records ni... So, okay na to? Ay, wala pa pala akong cancel. Okay. SOR naman. So, check natin kung nag-save siya. How do we check? So, click nyo, edit. Okay. Pumasok na si Arns. Ayan na si Arns. Okay. And the 2 records. There. So, for the cancel, alam nyo na kung paano maglagay ng cancel command. So, use the cancel. Malinaw?